What's going on, y'all? And welcome back to another edition of From Quitters to Winners. And guess what? It's Men's Mental Health Month. Yes, I know, ladies, I hear you. We ain't got our own mental health month. I hear you. It's not your turn right now. It's our turn right now. And in particular, I definitely want to talk to my men in training, my up and coming men. That's right, my middle schoolers, my high schoolers, even my college level men. Like, I want to talk to y'all for a minute because y'all are the ones who I can potentially reach the most. Y'all are the ones that I can potentially shift and change your perspective on mental health, especially when it comes to men, because I know you've been hearing the lies. I know that you've been hearing, men don't shed their feelings. Men don't cry. Men aren't allowed to be vulnerable. Men just have to, they just have to tough it out. Yes, I heard the lies too. And that's part of the reason why I'm a therapist in the mental health field, because I need you to see masculine men like me, masculine men like you, who you grew up with, men in your community who can actually show you that mental health is not only very real, but it is necessary for us. It's necessary to have us to be able to process, to be able to release, to be able to explore all of those emotional, mental challenges that men deal with on a daily basis. And I know, listen, I hear you. Maybe you've had a rough experience. You've really been put through the ringer. You've had family things happen. You've had friend things happen. You've had school things happen. You might have had health things happen. You've had a lot of things happen and you don't feel like your people support you. You don't feel like you have anybody to talk to except for maybe that one friend. Maybe even two friends, maybe that cousin, maybe that friend, maybe that girlfriend, maybe that uncle, maybe that teammate. I don't know who that one person is, but you maybe feel like you aren't allowed to share with anybody. And heaven forbid, I hate it for those of y'all who don't have anybody in life, who don't have friends like that you can be vulnerable with, that you can really share your emotions with. Some of y'all aren't even exploring your emotions because you're not allowing yourself to. Some of y'all are actually, when you feel an emotion that's beyond mad, that's beyond rage, you're doing things to try to numb the pain. Come on. You know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe a little marijuana, maybe a little alcohol, maybe something else. Because you're just trying to distract yourself from the pain. You're trying to distract yourself from the emotion. Or you're punching holes in walls. I told you I know. I counsel people like you every day. I know, because you are feeling the emotions and you're just letting it explode. Now your hand bruised. Now you gotta cover up the wall to keep from mama, auntie, grandma from seeing the damage. Now you getting fussed at. Now you getting cussed at. Because you didn't have a healthy outlet for those emotions. For that endless mental battle that you're struggling with day after day after day. But I want to tell you, you are worthy. You are worthy of having somebody help you with all of that. You are worthy of having somebody listen to your problems, helping you with your problems. There are many men who, unfortunately, they believe that same lie. Whether you want to go entertainment, you want to go actors that have taken their own life, or you want to go to sports, to the young men that have taken their own life. Most recently, I want to say a few months back during either the college football season or the college basketball season, there was a football player who he had a lot of allegations coming on against him. He had surrounding lies told about him, and he believed that it wasn't worth living anymore and took his own life. And this is why I make videos like this, especially during Men's Mental Health Month. Because I don't need you to believe that lie, that things can't get better, that things won't get better. It is what it is, and my life now is hopeless. And so I'm telling you right now today, I'm telling you, you matter. You are worthy. you gotta be willing to get your help. You're willing to be heard. You don't have to stay silent forever. Maybe you aren't ready to step into somebody's office yet. I understand that. I respect it. But that doesn't mean you can't start listening to a podcast. That doesn't mean that you can't start reading books. That doesn't mean you can't stop following different creators to give you some tools, to give you some tricks, to give you some tangible things that you can do to give you an outlet. Instead of letting those emotions just boil up. And I want to encourage you today. Look, we've made much progressive waves in the mental health field that more than likely, if you do a quick Google search, ask ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever your favorite AI source is, you might be able to actually find a good therapist for free. I don't know what your situation is. I don't know if you feel like you're comfortable enough to tell your parents. I don't know what it is. But there are resources specifically out there for you, young men, for you, Dre, for you, Adam, for you, Steve, for you, Jamal, for you. There are therapists like myself waiting to be there for you. I know it's been hard. I know it has. But I need you just to hang in there a little bit longer. I don't need you to quit. I don't need you to keep ignoring your fears, to keep sweeping those things under the rug. Why? Because real men face their stuff. Almost cussed just now. Real men take accountability. Real men don't ignore their stuff. Real men, hard men, face those things that are hard. They look their adversities in the face and they're willing to deal with them, even if they're painful, because they know it's necessary. And you, as a young man in training, you, as a young man fresh out of college, maybe you're in college, maybe you're in between sessions. I don't know where you are right now, but I do know that you're not a quitter because you're watching this video. So this is from quitters to winners, but you will quit if you refuse to show up. You will quit if you continue to be silent. You will quit if you continue to walk away and never face the issue when you know something's wrong. You know you've been struggling for a long time. You know that you've been going through the ringer. You know you've been there to talk to somebody. But you want to be a winner? Come on now. It's time. It's time. It's time to man up. It's Men's Mental Health Month. It's time to man up. It's time to take it to the next level of manhood. I don't care. Don't do that. Don't think of all those men. Don't think of all those toxic men. Don't think of all the men that hurt you. Don't think of all the men that led you astray. I'm talking to you right now, man to man. It's time to be better for yourself. It's time to be better for those men, those young men who you're going to influence. It's time to be better for the young men that you hang out with, your friends, your little cousins, your people at work. It's time to be winners, man. And the only way that you can win, especially when it comes to the mental health, is for you to start showing up for yourself. No more being silent. No more sweeping it under the rug. No more trying to smoke it away. No more trying to drink it away. No more trying to punch walls in a way. Come on now. It's time. It's time. I know you can do it because you are not a quitter, especially during Men's Mental Health Month, because you matter. You don't have to stay silent anymore. You don't have to run from your issues anymore. I want to challenge you now. I want to challenge you. You can, of course, you can download the stuff in the show notes below and get those resources. But I want to challenge you to take one action step. I want to challenge you to either look up a book, a workbook, a journal, or go the next step, look for podcasts, follow some content creators that you enjoy, that you can take their stuff and digest it. Or if you're ready, find a therapist in your local community that's ready with open arms. Now, quiet as kept. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. It's okay if the first therapist that you find, it doesn't work for you. I literally going through with somebody that I referred right now. Their first therapist, not really getting the job done, but that's okay. That doesn't mean that therapy doesn't work. That doesn't mean that you don't deserve to have a therapist that understands you, that will listen to you, allow you to be vulnerable for you, and be there for you when the traumatic, hard times come. So don't be afraid. Don't quit. Don't quit after the first one. I need you to keep persevering. I need you to keep going forward, because that's how you go from a quitter to a winner. I'll see you guys next week.